Okay, so I'm Markku, like said, I'm co-founder and CEO of Fourdeg. So also revealed I'm from Finland, so anybody know any cool things coming from Scandinavia? Like the healthy food? The coolest thing in Scandinavia and especially Finland is the weather, and that's why smart heating comes from Finland. Okay, now you remember. As we are not talking robots, we are people with hearts, so this is our heart. So 30% of the carbon dioxide is coming actually from heating of buildings. In Helsinki, the number is 54%. We want to cut 20% out of that, which means that we would cut half of the recent traffic. And that's what we want to do, not only in Finland, but also in Beijing and Liaoning and places like that. Big dream, let's do it. I'm not a hippie, I'm a business guy, so there's lots of money on board, so people are spending 4 times more for the heating than for the telecoms. My previous industry was telecoms, and I didn't believe when I started this. That's the truth, that's a fact. What our customers are saying, what is the problem in the ecosystem? So energy companies, they want to be the winners while this paradigm is now changing from production to something else. Real estate companies, so they want to make new services. That's right, they are fierce competition, they want to do something different. And then the building owner wants to have security for his property. So he wants to have better heating quality, lower cost, and understand what's happening inside. We heard from co-control, that's true also in UK. So our solution is smart heating service. We are applying existing industry standard hardware that is designed for smart homes for small buildings. We are making them useful in larger buildings. So that's our specialty, software company making it for larger buildings. How does it work? Yes. So it changes the heating from being reactive to predictive, and that's how it improves the quality and efficiency. So we have, say, 28% of heating energy and making better indoor climate for people based on the interviews. So that's what's happening. We are already selling. This is not a fiction, this is sales. So what we are using, we are local weather forecast, the prediction of people's presence, and then the prediction of the production status. So and the system is valid for the district heating, which is dominating the northern part of Europe and then all the way down to South Korea between there. We also can do local heated buildings like centrally heated, which brings us also valid in places like UK. So what is the customer business case? Building order 1 to 4 years payback time, or then we can do it at an ESCO with our partner. So they get comfort, control, cost saving to the maintenance, everything works automatically, and it secures the property value. So those are the comments that they say while they are making the purchase decision. ESCO companies and the building service companies, so that is very exciting. So like the partner that we got a contract with, they have more than 10,000 buildings in the service, so they want to integrate us there. Why? Because they want to have something new for the existing customers, and that's working. That's pretty cool, because they want to have a digital service that has got a lock-in for the building owner, so that it's not very easy to swap the two different kind of service companies between each other. Energy companies, so first of all, I know that there are a couple of you here, so like you want to always go from the production to services, rather digital, and then the demand side management, which means like the big buildings are not requiring the peak energy at the same time. That's very simple, and we are supporting that already now. So that's like Per Langer said, it's not about the amount of energy, but when the energy is needed. Per Langer is chief of Fortum. The business model is like we have done straight sales to building owners, that we are selling some installation and then some hardware and stuff and subscription. Later on we want to expand by having contracts with energy companies and real estate maintenance companies to grow beyond Finland. So that is what we are looking for, a new investor, so that we are looking about 2 million euros altogether. We have existing investors from the previous round. We have some investors who are interested, but they want somebody have some real money. If you have that, so you can talk to me or then some of the investors in the slide. That's about Fourdeg.